Hello. Hello. Are you so hungry? Are you so hungry? Should you get some breakfast? Get some breakfast? Your titties have all been fed now, haven't you? They're so hungry. They're a bit confused because they don't normally come down till like 6:30. Gary was so hungry he actually got into the tub of biscuits. He's over there. Okay. It's 11 minutes past 6. I did not need to get up this early, but sometimes I just want to get up and be by myself. Is that bad? Is that weird? Just like not have somebody shouting mummy at me or mama or kicking me or needing something. Just wanted to get up and have a bucket of coffee without somebody wanting me. And that's lasted maybe a minute. Hi fishy, you okay? You excited to go play at Reva's this afternoon? Yeah. Are you tired? All the kitties have come up as well, look. Gary. Gary, what's this? Oh, and Banana. And Binksy. Oh, and Chinips. Everybody's here. And I had someone comment that we are disgusting. Disgusting. Because cats are on the table. What are you going to do about it? I wouldn't let us having cats on our table in our house ruin your day. I really, really wouldn't let that affect you. So if Peggy sees this, I'm very sorry that you don't like me having cats on my table. But it doesn't affect you. It doesn't affect us, does it? We like having our kitties, don't we? And they can go where they want. Because we love them, don't we? And they're very clean. They're all literally cleaning themselves right now. And before we eat, I wipe the table. Not that I need to justify myself, but we do wipe the table before we eat. Yeah. I'm going to make some lunches, a fillet of fish to take to school. And Ippa today, she's having a packed lunch today. And then I'm going to make cinnamon buns. Well, I've made the dough, I just need to make them because I'm taking to my friend's house this morning. Gary, don't you bite my camera. Boy. Okay, just here. Gary. I got told off the other day for pushing Gary. Mummy pushed Gary off the table and someone told me off. Okay. Someone on YouTube said, "Don't you dare push Gary." They were joking, but they love Gary, so they didn't want me to push him. Banana. Chippy, what are you doing? Oh, she wants her chair to play with. Pull it forward, Ari, so she can play with it. You got your chuppy? Oh, she loves you, Ari. Cute. I'm about to show you a toe. So if you don't like toes, go away for a second. I was just making the kids breakfast, my breakfast lunch, and the cats like always hover around the floor while I'm making it because they hope I'm going to drop something. And I moved slightly, and Bandit is such a scaredy cat. He like jumped and he managed to scratch across my toe and it hurts so much. So toe incoming. Oh my God. It hurts so bad. It's so sore. Who'd have 4 cats? Who'd have 4 cats? I'd have more to be fair, but I'm not allowed. Ben says no. I'm now making the cinnamon buns. It's 7 o'clock, no one else is awake, just me and Ari. She's gone upstairs to get dressed. Got the dough for the cinnamon buns. And I'm gonna make this in 2 pans, one for us, and I'm gonna take a pan to my friend's house because we're having tea and chats this morning. So I'm just gonna clean down my worktop and make the buns. I've just made cinnamon rolls again. This is for our house and I'm taking these to my friends this morning. Right. At what point does it become too many cinnamon rolls, Mika?
Sugar party.
Sugar party. Mika's learned to play Old MacDonald. Do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
Done.
Well done, Mika. That's awesome.
Your hair done, Mika.
Hello, little man. What you got? Cookie. That is not your sandwich, sir. Is it? This is not your sandwich. That is Foxy's leftover sandwich that you are not allowed to eat. I'm making soup because I feel like crap. So I'm making leek and potato soup. And I'm making sugar cookie syrup for coffees, which sounds amazing. I saw it on a TikTok recipe, so I thought I'd make it. The cinnamon buns are there. I've had a few people ask if I'm selling them, and I'm trying to work out a way of starting up my business again with the cakes. But it's just very difficult, obviously, because of the cats. Nom nom. So I need like a... Gary, I'm just going to take the other half of Fox's lunch. Foxy, I'm going to put your lunch in the cupboard, bubs. Because I was doing it where I had the utility room like completely shut off from the cats, but now the cats have their catio there. So I can shut them in here, but then this bit of the house is still... The cats do go in it, so I don't really know. I need like a shed or a mobile kitchen or something to do it. Yeah, it's really annoying. I just don't know how to go about doing it. If anyone has any ideas, that'd be amazing, because I really do want to start up the cakes again, because it just makes me happy cooking. And then I could start up my postal orders again. It's just the logistics of doing it, so I don't know. Ben's mum's on her way here. She should be here soon. Nana here yet? Not yet. So hopefully she'll get here just in time for the soup to be ready and we can have some lunch, and then I'm going to go and do some orders, and we've got... Nearly Murray. I don't know why he's doing his weird voices today. We've got Ari's parents' evening this afternoon, so yeah, I will talk to you in a bit. on a wee. I'm in the bathroom. I just got back from the school run. And I had to get changed because I was wearing flares and it's fucking chucking it down. So it was very reminiscent of very early noughties at college with flares on. You know, like when you just, the water just soaks up and up and up and up and up, and then you end up like to your knees just drenched. It was like that. So now I've just put some joggers on. And I've realised I have no shoes that are waterproof. So hooray for that. I've literally got a pair of Vans that I bought off Vinted, which have holes in. A pair of old Skechers that I've had for 3.5 years that have holes in. And a pair of old, like, fake Ugg boots that also have holes in. And flip-flops. So, hooray! Yeah, I've done all my orders. I posted a load more orders today. Oh god, I got the funniest. I had because I'm selling the cunt bomb cards, which are just like a card that says, I'll show you basically, it's like this. It says, just a little card to tell you how I really feel about you. And then when they open it, it's booby trapped. It says, I think you're a cunt. And it just chucks glitter all over them. Someone ordered one yesterday and she said, can you write in it, even your cat is a fat cunt? I was like, yes, I can. So a card went today to somebody and it literally says, even your cat is a fat cunt. And that just made my heart happy today. So I've had sent 3 cunt bombs today, a creepy doll, a vintage egg. Yeah, it's been good. So I'm now, me and Ben are going to go to parents' evening. Ben's mum is here, Mika's downstairs, Aria is at a friend's house, Fox is downstairs. Yeah, I'm going to get a parents' evening now, so I'll talk to you when I get back. We've just got back from Ari's parents' evening. Ari's at her friend's house still. They were really happy with her, but we're really not happy with the school. And I cried because, when I'm frustrated and angry, I either shout and swear or I cry. And I cried because I didn't think shouting and swearing within a school setting would be the best thing to do. So I'm very annoyed at myself because I hate crying in front of people. I think as well because I feel like crap. It's just making my emotions even more overwhelming.
Hey,
Hey little one. What are you having for dinner?
risotto.
So we're now making risotto. Just cooked a chicken breast and then I'm going to cook the risotto in here for me and Squeaky Leeks and Daddy because Ari's having dinner at a friend's house and Fox doesn't eat risotto. He's just had a Dunker and some cereal because that's all he wanted and I can't be bothered to argue with him because I feel crap. So yeah, it's a funny vase. So I'm going to cook this and I'll show you when it's done. It's 7:45. I'm now going to bed because I feel like people are sick. Just done a little bit of painting. Starting something off. I've done some editing. And yeah, I'm just ready for bed now, so I'm going to sit and cuddle some cats. And hopefully fall asleep. So I'll see you for tomorrow.